Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are today at Ledyard's Sawmill.
It's a beautiful day, huh?
Looks like they're doing some constructions in there.
Hopefully we could get to pass through, see how it
Very
is.
historic sawmill in Ledyard. Guess it's going under some construction. Beautiful property, by the way.
Let's see what's going on.
Very old colonial. Oh, there goes the second one over there. Very beautiful place. It's being under construction, as you see. Oh, this is a wheel. Very historic wheel. I believe it goes with the mill.
I believe so, man.
Yeah, I do too.
I think it's still active.
Oh, it could be.
Oh yes, it says still active.
Pretty cool.
Can't believe.
All right, this is the other area. I guess down there there's another pathway. There's a lot of people enjoying the beautiful day, as you see.
I advise everybody to go out, have a good time, travel, have a good enjoyment.
This is a beautiful little bridge.
Look at the waterfall. This is a nice fall off. There's another bridge over there, but
Another little bridge over there. Very scenic little area. There goes the other side to the big pond. That's, I believe, is generating the mill. There goes the old mill. All right, guys, let's see what else this sawmill has to offer. Very scenic, very beautiful. All you hear is the birds.